we will be having for today our online haul. Hello mga kabiyahe! Good morning! Guys, kumusta? We are back in our vlog, Laling Bihera channel. So thank you so much for watching this. We will be having for today our online haul. For today's video, I'll be showing you my online haul, mga binili ko sa different online selling channels. So I have here my hauls. I'm gonna show you different items, but just bear with me because I also forgot some of it because it's been some time. So I just gather everything to make it into one vlog. So just bear with me mga kabiyahe. I'll show it to you. This box, I forgot, but this one is I think this one is, I'm not sure yet, but I already have the idea. So this is the one. I know. I think this one is from Shopee. Yeah, this one is a Korean style, okay, of shoes. Yes.
Oh my god!
So this one is the shoes that I got, okay, because I was looking for a cute shoes to wear for my Sunday church. Diba? This one is nude ang color niya. So nindot kaayo siya, oh guwapa kaayo. Murag bagay na bagay sa ko ang tiil nga dako. I got size 39 of this. So nindot kaayo siya. Diba? Just comment below if you like it. Then I can send you the link where I bought this one. But guys, don't worry because I already sanitized my boxes. So I have right here my alcohol. So naka-sanitize na ni silang tanan before I accepted it. And then today, before I started my vlog, I already sanitized it. Nice! No? I have here this one, the small pack. Another Korean stuff in here. So I'll show you. Yes! These are my ribbons. Yes. Now I got the idea because I'm seeing it now. I forgot to get my scissors. Nice! Let me see. Can I open this? Oh yes, these are my ribbons. So, ang peg na to is Heart Evangelista ang peg. Right, this is cute, no? These are cute. Okay, so let's put it there. And then I have one more. Oh, this one is clip type of ribbon. So there's a clip. But this one is for ponytail. So it has like a rubber pearls around it. Nice one. So this is the second ribbon that I got. And I have also here some bling blanks. So this one is earrings. Another one is another earrings, and earrings, lots of earrings. because somebody is asking me for earrings, so I bought it online. So pearly earrings also right here. These are just fashionable earrings. Alright, so that is for the second haul. Okay, now this third haul, this is a prize that I got from my online purchase. So the seller gives me a prize for the haul that I bought from her. So this is what I got. What? Okay, so this is my third haul. This one is I got as a prize because I bought a lot of stuff from this seller. So she said that she'll gonna send rewards or prizes, surprise rewards for those purchase that was made. Oh, see, I got my name here. So this is a free haul. I don't know what is the reward, but let's see what we have here. This is very nice. Here, so this is a VS spray. Wow, I like Pure Seduction. So you see, I got my name in this bottle because this is my reward. And it's not only one bottle of VS. I got 2. Thank you to Miss Rona. Miss Rona is the owner and she is sending me another. Wow, this is vanilla lace. Victoria's Secret. Yay! Thank you! Alright, so this is the other haul that we have. So we have 3 already. We opened 3. Let's just put it here. Okay. And the other one is the biggest package. Alright. So this one is a bit heavy. And I know already what's inside because I did this just a few weeks ago. And because these were like February, last week of February, so that's why I forgot some of it. But this one is the latest one. And these are the goods that I purchased. But I'm still thinking of maybe I will sell this in my online shop. So I'm opening it here in the back part because this one is easier to open. I've been using bags which are mostly tote bags because I prefer tote bags because those bags are bigger and you can put a lot of stuff inside and has a lot of compartments. And yay! This one is Coach tote bag. And this is the one that I purchased from Miss Rona. Thank you, Miss Rona. Nice. So this is a coat. And it has this dust bag. Nice one. Their bags are best quality actually. So this one is very nice, guys. Look. It's very new. The feel of this Coach tote bag, good quality actually. So, see from here. Yeah, this is very nice one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. I need to see more of it. Tote Coach bag. Okay, next, just put it here in the side. Open some more. Oh, this one is a different color. This is the blue Coach tote bag. It's another Coach. So let's open it here. So sa mga viewers na ako, nasa Iligan, you know na guys. So my Iligan viewers, if you will like it, you can just message me. If I'm not going to, nice one, right? Nice one. So this is the black Coach. Again, this is a very nice quality. Yay! Nice bag. So I got 2 already. And it also has a dust bag. Nice. And then, next, another. This is the same as the brown one. So I will not open that because it's the same as the brown one. Alright, here is the bigger. Here is the bigger box. Let's open this. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I know. These are my sling bags. Yes. Ta-da! Nice one. These are my sling bags. But I think I got 4, like 2 different colors. Let's open it. Open it. So this sling bag also got its own dust bag. And nice one. This is also a Coach bag. So it's a Coach sling bag. Let's open it. Let's check it. Nice one. Oh, it's very nice mga kabiyahe. Look at this. Yes. Nice one. Alright. Sometimes I'm confused whether I use the tote or the sling. But since I have more of like tote bags, that's why I prefer the totes. But this time I got new sling bags, so on my next vlog you'll be seeing the Coach tote bag. And I have here another color. Nice one. OMG. I don't know which one to choose. Do you think I'm going to choose the 2? But I need only one. So one of these will be posted in my online shop. So just look for it, guys. Abang-abang mga friendships. Abang-abang ng future. But I'm not gonna open it because I already opened the first one and they are of the same size. Only the color. This one is gray. But this one, you can see the logo of the Coach. And like this one is just the flowers. So mukhang tataani ni Miley Cyrus if I can buy myself flowers, no? Yes.
5 minutes later.
Alright, next one. Oh, this one are wallets. So these are Coach. Yes. It's a long wallet. Wow, look at this. It's a long wallet with a sling. So it'll be like a wristlet also. Nice. I like the color. Looks very classy. Look at this. Yes. Okay. Let's see the other. I got how many? 2 and 3. So I got total of 3. So I got my name here. So let's see the third one. I think this one is, wow, this is the blue coach. Nice one. Let's see. What color is this one? Oh, this one. So it's a black coach. Nice. Okay, so I think we're all done. My unboxing of my online haul. So these are the stuffs that I have, and I'll be posting some of it in my online shop. So just see the link below. So I will post it. Thank you so much mga kabiyahe. That's all for today. Bye! Thank you so much for watching mga kabiyahe. Shout out to all our subscribers, silent viewers, and all our supporters. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my vlogs for everybody to see and appreciate it. Thank you so much mga kabiyahe.